This is Henry Fountain for the New York Times. At the heart of the World Trade Center redevelopment in Lower Manhattan is the Memorial Plaza designed by Michael Arad and Peter Walker. The plaza covers half of the site's 16 acres and features two fountains that sit where the Twin Towers stood, surrounded by trees. The fountains are among the largest ever created, artificial waterfalls with sides more than 170 feet long. Water cascades over granite walls to reflecting pools 30 feet below, and then falls through square voids in the center of each pool. Bronze parapets along the top are inscribed with the names of the victims of the terrorist attacks. The parapets are lighted from inside and have heating and cooling systems so they remain comfortable to the touch in summer and winter. The water flows first into calming pools just below the parapets. It's pumped from below, at a rate approaching 30,000 gallons an hour, through a false floor in the pools and then flows over a weir, or small dam. The specially designed weir is serrated and inclined at a 45-degree angle, so the water stays in small streams that project about 4 feet from the walls. The serrations also help to prevent clogging from leaves and other debris, and can be adjusted to keep it within a 1/16 of an inch of horizontal. From the reflecting pool, the water falls over a simple curved edge into what appears to be a bottomless void in the center. It then travels through large pipes into a pump room, where it's filtered and sent back up to the calming pools. In the winter, heaters will warm the water slightly to prevent freezing. The other main feature of the plaza is the forest of swamp white oak trees, eventually more than 400 of them. This is no simple planting job. The plaza itself is a 6-foot-high engineered structure designed to keep the trees healthy and includes a system for collecting and reusing rainwater. The structure sits on top of the concrete roofs of the Memorial Museum and other underground spaces. Short concrete walls run the length of the plaza, creating troughs that alternately hold soil for the trees and drainage and irrigation pipes. Where the trees are planted, there are other walls of a unique louvered design meant to hold back the soil while also allowing the roots to grow freely. The trees themselves were selected for aesthetic features like straight trunks and consistent shape. They were held in a nursery in New Jersey for 5 years, their oversized root balls carefully tended to prepare them for the World Trade Center site. Drains that run the length of the plaza will funnel rainwater to underground cisterns. During dry periods, the water can be used to irrigate the trees. The cistern water is pumped to large pipes running parallel to the rows of trees. Smaller feeder pipes let the water flow into irrigation pipes surrounding the root ball. These pipes are perforated and open at either end, allowing air as well as water into the soil. About 6 inches above the root ball are cantilevered steel plates that prevent the soil from being compacted, which could harm the trees. Granite paving stones form the surface of much of the plaza, although in some areas grass and ground cover will be planted. At installation, the oak trees are about 30 feet tall, but they are expected to more than double in height in the coming years.